guys? Today we're out here in Shibuya, just chilling, seeing what we can find. Hopefully buy some stuff and go out to eat. Right now we're at the famous Shibuya crossing. That's usually up there at the Starbucks where people go and take those good pictures. We'll probably get up there soon later. So let's go. Stop by the 7-Eleven and get some grub. Quick little snack. As you can see, they have like a little bit of everything, and they can heat it up for you too. Ooh, gotta eat some of that right there. All right, I'm gonna show y'all real quick what I got. So I got this Coke lemon flavor. Got this like little sandwich type quesadilla thing. Got this cheesecake. Focus, there you go. And then I got a onigiri tuna flavor. Alright, let me just show y'all real quick how to unwrap this. I'll probably do it in slow-mo just for so y'all wouldn't miss a step, you know? Alright, we found Supreme in Shibuya. They probably don't even have anything because not unlike the US where things drop on Thursdays, you usually sell out in seconds. Things drop here on Saturdays, so we'll see if they have anything. So just like I thought, there wasn't anything there, so we just came to the BAPE store. Hopefully they have some cool stuff, and then we'll see how it goes. So as usual, they always have like some cool music banging in here, and they always have like pretty cool selection. They got the Mr. bathing ape with the mustache. So let's see what we find. So we just came here to Yoyogi Park to chill for a minute, and I guess we're just gonna go back to the cross in Shibuya to try to get that nice picture at night. The Starbucks that's over here to get the shot in there. So we're able to find this spot up here to get a better shot of people just crossing. Fat burger, yeah. Those are pretty good, so we'll try them out. Burger looks pretty good. I mean, for sure it shouldn't taste bad, but we'll see. That's good. Picked up a couple items, did a couple things, got the bait.
Thank you for waiting.
And now we're about to head into this like meat restaurant. And yeah, let's see how this goes. And also with the menu, like pretty much you grill your meat right there, and so we got this 5-course. Comes with obviously that's a salad, some seaweed, and some more delectables, I guess. Yeah. So we're just gonna wait for the meat, and then we're gonna cook it. Alright, so here's the meat.
For us, it's never simple, you know?
It looks pretty good.
It's that's what like
Actually, it looks really pretty good. So we're about to cook it. Pretty good. I've never had like beef like that where you had to cook it, and pretty much gave you like 5 different kinds of beef. I don't know, but it was pretty good overall, so yeah. Alright, so today was a pretty long day. We're trying to get back to our spot. Hopefully tomorrow will be like a better day. Maybe some surprises on the way. But it's pretty sick here at night. I like how they go overboard with the lines and stuff. But yeah, and like a bunch of these pictures that I take, I post them on my Instagram at Nacho Travel. So if y'all wanna like show me some love and change y'all's life a little, go ahead and follow me. And yeah, and I guess I'll see y'all next time.